Okay, it's Saturday and we're at Monroe Lake. Hilariously, we're the only ones on the lake. There was a guy a few minutes ago who took off on a Jeep. It's about 4 inches at top water, but it's I think about +2 or 3 here. And we got our little tent set up with our holes. We forgot the spatula, so we slap in the water with our hands. And ready to go fishing. We'll take some videos if we catch anything. So these are the fish we're gonna go for today, and later videos we did catch some and you'll see them, but they got largemouth, smallmouth, perch, and pumpkin seed. Anna's about to catch fish. On the video camera she's got 2 looking at it. We're downhole cameraing this right now. She had one look at it.
There's 3 of them there.
There's probably more than 3. But again, this is our little camera that we're looking at down the hole. And we just got lucky. We just turned the camera and it showed her. Let's see how much the fish likes those little worms.
They're looking a little lazy.
Yeah, they're just staring at it. Maybe it's time to put the Velveeta cheese on it. So I've had this camera for a long time, but you know, Alberta lakes, you can't see as much. It's hard to tell. I thought about drilling a hole on the outside of the tent because we're in the tent to let the light in, but it actually, I don't know, maybe try letting it sit. Yeah, that's the trick. It's just gonna nose at the little bugger, eh? So we've got the camera just above the bottom. We're probably in about 6 feet of water. Yeah, it's funny. They're looking, but they're not hungry.
Maybe they don't like worms.
I don't know. In this hole is mine, and there's Anna's.
He's nosing it again.
So we're just in the hole here. It's like a fish tank aquarium to watch these guys. Maybe go up higher and then down. I don't know. Little buggers, eh? Like. So we're using dew worms. We got at the Moy General Store. The birds are going wild outside. The woodpeckers are going crazy too. But there was only one other guy on the lake and he left. So we are the only ones on this lake right now. Maybe I can see why. This is torture. Look at him swim away. The nerve.
You better get your hands on your rod in case he likes yours better.
I don't even know where mine is it's in the water, but I got the same stuff you got on. I'm wondering if it's a jig. They just want a plain worm. Honestly. So if this is what we actually have to do every time we're fishing, we can't see it. He's taking little nibbles of it, but he's not. At the end of the video, we'll go check on the sign to see exactly what type of fish this is. Because they have a little sign there, but I know there's kokanee, there's rainbow, there's perch. There's obviously these things. There's a sunfish, if this isn't the sunfish. Which I think the sunfish is part of the bass family. But I'll find out. Just torture watching on TV.
He wants it.
Yeah, but he doesn't want to come up out of the hole. And we solved our problem with ice in the hole by using a Tim Hortons cup. It's warm enough now that it's actually not forming any ice. Yeah, it's just like watching an aquarium. Okay, I think I'm gonna change bait, and then we'll try another video if we see any more coming. Okay, so we got another guy here. So we got both our hooks here. Anna's the one on the left, mine's the one on the right. This looks like an actual perchie though.
Swimming right between them.
Yeah. Anna just about had one on the line.
Had it on, couldn't get out.
Couldn't get out of the hole. It spit it out. So we're trying some different stuff here. But they're not highly active, but they're curious. So we'll keep checking it in. This is kind of a post video. All right, let's see.